welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Face Sculptist, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows. I'm going to get right into this brow tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my number 12 Anastasia brush that I have. It has a really nice tip to it, so it's really thin and I can get hair-like strokes. What I usually do is I put it in the pan and then I kind of brush it off on both sides, so like all the product is at the tip of it. So I'm just going to start off with the front of my brow. And then I'm going to go close to the arch. Just create that nice little tail. I'm just going to work on my arch a little bit because I really like that to be like the sharpest, most darkest thing there. So just starting at the top of my arch, bring it all the way down, connecting the tail at the end. And I'm going to go and line the front of my brow, and it's okay if I kind of go over or like I go too up or whatever because I clean it up at the end anyway. And then I'm gonna fill it in with the dip brow, so I'm gonna move it like that way for this part, but when I get to here I'm actually gonna move upwards, so I'm flicking it up from here. And I'm going to brush through a little bit to make sure I got everything and make sure there's no really dark areas or anything like that. So once I've got everything, I'm going to start working over here. I'm going to grab a little bit more. I'm actually going to make a couple hair-like strokes right here.
Just want to zoom in here to show you how flicking your brush upwards will help you create realistic hair-like strokes, and following the direction of your hair will give you a more natural looking brow at the end.
Just like that, and then I want to brush out the tip of that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the brow powder duo. I want to grab the lighter side and dip my brush directly into that. I don't need to clean it or anything. But I'm going to grab that and I'm going to set my brow with that light color. Especially at the tail end, so when I take my pictures, the dark color really gets captured in those flash. Because otherwise I feel like when I don't have like this setting step, that in pictures my brows don't even show up that much, and I want them to show up because usually when you take flash, like the powder is what reflects on flash, right? So this dark colored powder is usually what shows up really solid, and that's what I like. So I kind of only do it up to this point right here, so this point right here. I don't really go past that. So now I'm just gonna brush out my brow. Once that's done, I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to start carving out my brow. I usually always start at the front of my brow. And then I carve out the arch, like I'm doing here. And just let the tail flow. I like to just buff out these edges, so when I go in with my primer it's not a problem, like this concealer is not too set or something like that, because I don't like to run into problems. Alright, once I do that, ooh, that's my concealer. I'm going to take some more of my concealer and I'll mix it with the foundation onto the same concealer brush. I'm going to carve out the top of my brow. The reason I like to mix the two colors is because I don't want the top color to be like as extreme as the bottom in terms of my brow highlight. Like I like my brow bone always to be more light. It looks nice that way to me. And I like the top to be more, a little bit more deep, like slightly. I feel like it looks so clean and crisp. And then it easily blends into the foundation. I just blend that out nicely into this top area right here. Just buff it out with my finger as well. And once it's done, that's how I do my grand brow. That's how my low brow looks by itself. Yeah, that's how I like it. So I'm just gonna go to my other brow. Done. Alright guys, this is the finished brow look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this small brow tutorial. Like if you like it so I know what kind of stuff y'all like. See you next time, gorgeous. Bye!